Hey, first graders, the first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. All right. So I'm going to just review what we worked on this week. We talked about the D, G, E ending and that it makes the J sound. We learned that we put D, G, E at the end of words that end in the J sound that have a short vowel. For example, the word bridge, bridge. Okay, it ends in the J sound. The I was short, so therefore we put D, G, E. Before we learned that another way that the G says the J sound is when we have a long vowel and a magic E. So when the vowel says its name, that's when we put GE. But today's are going to all be short vowels with the D, G, E. We also learned that there are some tricky word endings that change the sound of the vowels in words. For example, ILD spells ild instead of ild, okay? IND spells eind instead of ind. OLD spells old instead of ald, okay? So let's go ahead and begin. Our first word is going to be the word edge, edge, edge. And as you can see here, I put this line here to remind you that it's 3 letters that are making that one sound. J, that J sound. And it is 3 letters. J. Word number 2 is the word judge. Judge. J. 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 Okay, again, we have that short vowel sound with the ending J sound. Remember, there are no words in our vocabulary that end in J, so we need to use either GE or DGE. So judge, J, judge. Our next word is going to be the word lodge, lodge, L-A-J, L-A-J. Remember, those 3 dots mean there's 3 letters that make one sound. That's why there's a line going through it. So to repeat, word number 1 is edge. Word number 2 is judge. Number 3 is lodge. All right. Now we're going to those tricky words that change the vowels of the sounds of the vowels. So I gave you some clues here. Our first word is going to be the word old. O, old, old, o, old, old. Our second word is going to be the word most. M-O-st, most. M-O-st, most. Our final word is going to be the word kind. K-I-N-D, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. So we have old, most, kind. Pause the video if you need more time. Remember to raise your hand if you have any questions. Continue listening for our heart words next. All right, our first heart word is going to be the word move. 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 I tried to give you some clues here to maybe help you out on how to spell move. Move. Okay, and there's not a double vowel here. No double vowel. Move. Move. And it is not a U. I tried to give you a little scribble to give you a little clue. Move. And then that star there, you know what that means. Move. The next word is both. B-O, both. B-O, both. B-O, both. Number 3 is woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. Tried to give you a little scribble clue there to help you with that. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. And our last heart word is the word because. Big elephants can always understand small elephants. Big elephants can always understand small elephants. All right, word number 1 is move. Number 2 is both. 3 is woman. 4 is because. Pause the video if you need a little more time writing these heart words. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. Otherwise, please continue listening for the sentences. All right, both sentences have 6 words. Our first sentence is, where did you get that fudge? Where did you get that fudge? Let's start with the first word. Capitalize that first letter in the word where. And you can see there's a line here, which means there's a digraph. So where, what's the digraph that goes with the W sound? Air. Okay, now we have to double the vowel with the in the middle. I gave you a little clue up here. Where did, did. Make sure there's spaces, did. First graders, D's go to the left. So you're writing with your right hand, the hand that has a pencil in it. So the D's have to go towards, the bubbles have to go towards the other hand. If you are not sure, please look at your desk. Where did you, 3 letters in you, where did you get? G-at, g-at. Where did you get that? At, at. Where did you get that fudge? Fudge. Okay. J. All right, we've got the 3 letters there, but 1 sound. J. All right, listen to this question. Oh, I think I just gave you a clue. Where did you get that fudge? Put your punctuation there. Check and make sure you have a capital letter. Spaces between your words. Make sure your letters are facing the right directions. Where did you get that fudge? All right, our second sentence. They could not find any gold. They could not find any gold. Start with the capital letter at the beginning of the word they. Here we have a digraph and some heart words, heart part of it. I gave you some clues. Why spell the when you can spell they? Look at the arrow. Why spell the when you can spell they? Also, remember there is no A in they, and make sure that first letter in they is a capital letter. They, now we have the word could. K. Oh, you lucky duck. K. Oh, you lucky duck. K. Oh, you lucky duck. They could not. 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 They could not find. 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 They could not find any. If remember, first graders, if you can spell many, you can spell any. Mom ate nutty yogurt, but no mom just ate nutty yogurt. We need the word any here. Ate nutty yogurt. They could not find any gold. G O L D. G O L D. The G and the D, their bubbles face to the left. So go to the hand that is not holding a pencil. G O L D. They could not find any gold. Punctuation at the end. It doesn't sound like I'm excited. It doesn't sound like a question. So what punctuation must it be? Capital letter at the beginning of your sentence, spaces between your words. Make sure all of your bubble letters are facing the right direction. If you do not know, double check on your desk. They could not find any gold. All right, if you are done, put it in the I'm done pile. And if there is time, please play role and read with a partner. Thank you.